The seven-figure agency, why we joined, I mean, my business partner said, hey, I found this great program. I think we should look at it for a coaching aspect of things. We actually had a previous coach beforehand, and we wanted to get to that next level. And we thought Josh, in terms of what he's doing within the industry, within the space, being in plumbing and HVAC as well for us, made sense for us to join, and it was just natural. And I'm actually really glad that we did, because the network and the camaraderie is absolutely amazing. We joined at, I don't know, 12,000, 15,000 per month in MRR, and getting to that seven-figure mark is still, you know, the goal, and multiple seven figures beyond that is really what we're trying to accomplish. Go on a call. Come as a guest. Josh has lots of guests. Get onto the roadmap, take a look at the event, go for 2 days. That's how we started. We went to the roadmap live, went through it, and he shares everything with you. The abundance mindset within the agencies is absolutely phenomenal. If you really are serious about growing your agency and growing your business, I believe that this is one of the premier coaching opportunities and groups out there for agencies.